guys, welcome back again to my channel, SkilledManTv. And for today's video guys, I will be sharing you on how to repair wall fan, industrial wall fan. There are 3 sets of fan here, so we are going to repair today. Guys, before we start how to repair this wall fan, we're going to unscrew this, take out this selector switch, and then test the plug, the wire going inside. Sometimes the wire is cut inside, so we are going to test the continuity. This part guys, we're using the allen. And now ready to open this cover guys. So as I've mentioned just now guys, we are going to test this plug going here. We need to open this plug guys. We call this one 3-pin plug. There is fuse inside this plug, so we need to test this one if the fuse is still okay. We are now using our tester. So our fuse guys is still good. So now we're going to test the wiring from here going inside the cover. So the line side is good. Then now, the next is the neutral. The blue wire is our neutral. So our neutral is good also. So now, this cable going here in our motor is good. So now we are going to test the fuse. And then later we check the capacitor. By the way guys, the cause of this industrial fan totally not working. So we're going to test one by one what is the cause why this fan is not working. As you can see guys, it is the fuse. So we're going to test this one if still okay. So this is the capacitor. The capacitor rated is 2.4 microfarad. So now guys, we are going to cut the fuse inside. This is the fuse guys. So now guys, we are going to test the fuse if still good. So confirm our fuse guys is no good already, so we need to change this one. Then next is to test the capacitor. So our capacitor, guys, is 2.4 microfarad. So we're still using our tester, but we are going to set 2 microfarad, guys. So as you can see here in our tester, there's a sign of UF. So we are in microfarad. So guys, our tester, we test our capacitor now is only 0.4. So this capacitor is need to change. Supposed to be our capacitor is 2.4 microfarad, but when the time we test is only 0.4. So this capacitor need to change, guys. So guys, so we already confirmed that this capacitor are defective already, so we're going to replace. This is the new one, but the rating is 2.5 UF. So this one is okay also, but we are going to test first before we replace the old one. So now we are going to test, guys. See, as you can see, guys, 2.6 microfarad. So this one is good capacitor. So we're going to install this one, guys, and then later we are going to test our wall fan. So guys, we already replaced our capacitor, and now if we have time, we are going to replace this fuse. But for the meantime, for testing purposes, we are going to bypass the fuse. The wire that connected here, we are going to short it, the 2 wires, so that we can test it. So now, guys, this is the wire that I mentioned just now, which is the fuse connected here. So for time being, because we don't have stock this kind of fuse, we can just connect these 2 wires for testing purposes only, guys. But if we have time, we need to replace this fuse. So guys, as you can see, I just fold this 2 wires, this one, the white one, for testing purposes only, guys. I just slice these 2 wires Then later on we are going to test. So if you have electric fan or stand fan in your house, you can easily repair by your own. DIY, do it yourself guys. So no need to go to the shop to repair this kind of problem. So now we are going to assemble again. To cable tie this wires guys. So that not so messy inside this cover. So for the meantime guys, we are going to test this one first. So no need to install this one because this one is connected to the swing. So now guys, we are going to test this one. We already replaced the capacitor and then we just bypass the fuse. Now we are going to test. So now guys, our fan is working properly. So confirm our capacitor and the fuse are defective. So now that's already number 1. And number 2. And number 3. Guys, this is the end of my video. Hopefully this video can help you on how to repair industrial wall fan. The cause of this industrial wall fan is capacitor and fuse. If you like this video guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching and God bless us all.